always had an interesting way of looking at it where I'm able to prioritize based on not just your impact and effort scores, which is the typical way that people look at your prioritization, but rather I look at that is one layer, but then I take another layer where I align to the strategy of that particular company and create customized prioritization models for each company to be able to look at how does this work. So going into an organization that had over 200 projects where they only had resources to really staff and support 60 at best, going through in a week's time to be able to truly prioritize by using the model that I developed for that company, I was able to whittle them down to the 60, get them their over under line. Now, the model's always around 80 to 90% correct because you're always going to have those one offs. But instead of trying to fix for that last 10%, fix it for the 80 to 90% and then take a look at the one offs and see where do you want to fit that above or below the line. And usually it came out where it was pretty accurate, where it was between that 80 and 90%, where you could have the conversation around the line instead of across all 200 projects.